Welcome back guys. Today's video, mag-unbox tayo ng Coffeemaker from Keurig. Wow! Sale ni karon sa guys kay it's almost Thanksgiving. So let's start unboxing guys. Get the knife and be careful. So amo ni siyang na purchase through online Best Buy. And it's almost Thanksgiving guys. It's sale siya. Naka-sale siya. Then pag open niyo ng Keurig manual, so set aside sa nato guys, and this will be your hot surface. Oh no, I'm just kidding. This is the fruiter guys, and yeah, see that there's a latte and cappuccino level, and this one is a plug. It's a grounded plug, and here we go, the coffee maker. So nakaputos yun na siya guys. Make sure nga dili na siya mahugawan or magarasan. And tadang! So this is it. And there's na yung mga label, coffee, latte, cappuccino, how many ounces you like. And this is the tanang tubig and maximum level. So atong ibutang ang fruiter guys, it's a magnetic, no? And this one mo na siya, magnet po na siya guys, so magnet na siya. Then don't forget to cover. Yeah, that's it. So money ang nasa kuan guys, so makasave kag $3 kung palit ka. And then this one, if you register your coffee maker sa ilang site, 50% off. Then this is the manual before you brew. So in English siya guys. Maybe ako aning ipabasa sa akong asawa later guys. Taas kayo. Usahay mo ko dito sa butog English. Daghan pa dyan kayo. Oh my goodness. Ipabasa rin ako later guys sa akong asawa guys. Kaya makikita mo English. Okay, so nagpalit mo yung bala guys, no? Or recyclable cups. This one is a caramel. Then we have the French roast. So i-try sana mo ang 10 cups guys, no? Daghan mo ko siya kuhan. And then this one is the Coffeemate. Ang flavor ni is hazelnut. No, zero sugar, pero but kayo ni guys. Then we have the French vanilla. So the creamers. And okay, we start na to guys, no? So ibutan na to ang cup sa ilalom, and then this will be our plug. So grounded po nila ang plug, of course. Then putang taog water, make sure dili malapas sa maximum level. And there you go. And we try the French roast first. Lift lang niya guys, easy lift. And isulod mo, pack, sampak, and then i-close. Slowly lang, kaya basi maguba. And then i-plug. So that's it. Nani aga sa wala pa day. So turn on. Then you have to choose coffee or latte and cappuccino. Then kung gusto kag strong, you can choose strong. And then di pa day ay sabi sa iyo. So, wait din natin na mo blink siya. So, choose coffee and then we leave the strong. It's depende sa imo. So, I choose 8 ounce and then start. So, all we need to do is magulat ta guys siguro a minute or two. Then let's go to the fruiter. I choose cappuccino. Go. Then the same. Siguro mga 1 minute or 2 minutes. Ulat ta. There you go. Yeah, so it's level cappuccino. Slow mo na to guys. Wow. So good ang kape kahulog guys. Humot kayo ni guys, no? Kung makasimot lang mo, grabe ka humot sa coffee nila guys eh. French roast coffee. Oh my lord. Coffee lover. Kung coffee lover mo guys, no? Laway dyan money. Wow. Pinaslow mo pa. Nag-blink siya guys kay maybe kinahanglan siya og lights. There you go. Wow. Pak. Gipugan ba dyan do? Grabe ay. Napa di ay. Oh my lord. That's it. Then, ato nang i-add ang ato ang creamer. Wow. Grabe ay. Nahinay lang. Kaya basig music. So, di pa man ta pro level guys. Nung itong mag-imo study style. Ito na yung studyhan soon. So, ato lang ning iyabo. Or try itong heart ba? Di jud guys. Listen jud. Studyhan na nato siya. So, there you go. Mauna ni ang coffee. Work Starbucks. Ato na ang tilawan. Oh my lord. Init. Pero langit. Grabe kalami. My lord. Pero hinahinay lang ta guys, no? Kaya ang creamer ba guys, taas kayo ng sugar level yung nila. So, be careful. Natas ka to nga guys. No? Hurot na dyan. Pak na yabo. Oh my lord. Nagunitan sa kong anak. And mo siya guys, no? Dalira kayo guys, no? Di na mo mag-add to pa og coffee shop. You can do it by yourself at home. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.